Welcome. So in this module, we'll cover a case study for security hardening for Apache. And this is a CIS benchmark case study, Apache Tomcat 7. This is what the front page looks like, CIS Apache Tomcat 7 benchmark from April 26, 2016. This is a 94-page PDF document. And the control number is 7.7 from page 65. It says configure log file size limit. It's scored. And this is a level 2 control. It's not level 1. Level 1 was a lighter one. Level 2 is more serious and requires more preparation, and you have to be careful and while implementing the level 2 controls because they're more intensive security controls. Now, the description says, by default, the logging.properties file will have no defined limit for the log file size. This is a potential denial of service attack, as it would be possible to fill a drive or partition containing the log files. And the rationale: establishing a maximum log size that is smaller than the partition size will help mitigate the risk of an attacker maliciously exhausting disk space. And under audit, it tells us validate the max file limit is not greater than the size of the partition where the log files are stored. For remediation, you create the following entry in your logging.properties file. This field is specified in bytes. So you type this out as per the blue lines here and make sure that the log file size is smaller than the partition size. The default value, there is no limit by default. And this was control number 7.7 on page 65. Thank you.